This topic about how to make money using Qi Men Dun Jia has been bombarded to me many rounds. So in this video, I would like to share some of the legit way of making money using Qi Men Dun Jia. But of course, when I say legit way, it means it's proper, systematic, and in the eyes of the law, it is proper. Okay, so these are the three things that we're talking about making money in Qi Men Dun Jia. Officially, we are talking about this job. That means when you work for somebody, you get a salary. This is exchange of your time and then your energy to get a certain exchange of monetary. So these are called career. In the chart itself, we call it the open door. Open door means career or even as a job. So if one has this good representation of the open door, then they'll be able to excel very good in their career and able to generate good income for themselves. Second is the lifestyle, whereby business, where the person do business, whether they open a shop, whether they do an e-commerce, whether they do trading in terms of business, import, export, or any other legit business whereby they open up the entity, they do businesses, exchange of services or goods, then this is called a lifestyle. So if people have this kind of good combination inside their chart, then you'll be able to make money from this category of angle. Third, we also have this thing called the indirect wealth. Whether you go and invest money into stock market, forex, go to 4D, buy Toto, any of this sector, you'll be able to make money from that sector if provided that your symbol, which is represented by indirect wealth, labeled as this door called the injury door. So this injury door will have a direct impact whether you have the affinity in this area or not. If your combination of your injury door is not so good, then I will say that potential of you making money from this area may not be so great, especially when the palace itself is empty, or even have an intergrave, or even the sixth punishment. All this will create a lot of bad effect, bad energy into the palace itself, whereby once you enter into that sector, you will create a lot of bad energy, and eventually you will not make money in this area. So if you see some of the people that it seems that every week now and then they go and buy 4D, go and buy stock market, all these things, they will make money from it. So this group of people, they have a very good palace or combination in terms of energy inside their indirect wealth, which is called the injury door. And because of that, they are able to create the constant income. It may not be very consistent, but it can be very random to some people. But because of that, they're able to create the kind of wealth coming in for them. So, three sectors. The open door, which is a career, job. Second, which is a lifestyle, which is a business. Third is your indirect wealth. And sometimes, some people have one sector that's good. Sometimes, they could be like their jobs, or their business, or their indirect wealth are very good. But they focus on the wrong area. And eventually, they will not be able to generate good income for them. I'm talking about mainstream. Mainstream means that this is just a one channel effect. There is also another sector we also have to consider. You able to bring wealth in, making money in. There is also outflow. We haven't talked about the outflow yet. I'm talking about the inflow first. So inflow is the mainstream. Anything that is able to bring money to your bank account, that is called a mainstream. There's also an outstream, whereby we're talking about bandit star. We're talking about this god. Really, we're talking about the black tortoise, or even the Tian Chong impulse. When it's linked to the lifestyle, then we have a situation. So all this you need to kind of learn in this Qi Men Dun Jia. But anyhow, so these are the three of the mainstream of income whereby you can make money from life door, open door, and injury door, which is the job, business, and then the indirect wealth. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video.